In this video, I will show you how the test is performed. Start the Cardio-HART test software and log in. At the bottom, it is presented that the device is well connected. If the device is not connected properly, you will see a red X icon. This is a sign that you need to check the connections. Find the patient by health card number. To access patient profile, you must verify its identity by date of birth. If you haven't filled out patient details and the questionnaire before, now is time to do that. When you completed the questionnaire, you will be shown ECG, PCG and MCG signals on the screen. On the top left, you can see heart rate parameters for ECG, PCG and MCG sensors. Before starting the test, the sensors must be yellow or green color. If the sensors are red, that means you should check that the sensors are properly connected. The recording lasts 1 minute, and the patient should hold his breath for the last 15 seconds. In order to get accurate results, the patient must be calm and there must be no noise in the room that may interfere with the recording. Start recording by clicking Recording button. Repeat the recording 3 times with good or acceptable quality. If the test is unacceptable, you should reject the test and start again. After third test, click Finish and the program will close down. Uploading examinations will be done automatically. If for some reason this is not possible, do it manually by logging into the Cardio-HART test software and click on the Upload Examinations button, where you can choose to upload the examinations which are available in the list. This completes the testing. In the following video, you will see how a GP or cardiologist can access the processed results.